When I take a look outside, I see ain't nothing changed. Half of us ain't doing nothing, but we still complain. Pointing fingers at each other, it's a dirty game. The man in the mirror right, he said that you to blame for everything that's gone wrong and why he hate life. Said he had no father figure, chose him street lights. And the hood taught him everything he need to know. Taught him how to whip it, bag it, move it, get some more. He ain't really want that life, but it's his only option. You see them boys in the streets said it's his only option. Never had a real man try and intervene. So he listened while his peers sold him dead in dreams. To him it seems that he might as well nobody care. And then you call yourself a Christian, you just stop and stare. Looking down when you know he needs some help up. But his problem ain't your problem, so I guess he's stuck. You see, he really wish he had a better hand. He wish somebody had taught him how to be a man. But since we too busy, he gonna do the best he can. Probably land himself in prison. Real men take a stand. Yeah, he on the block in the wintertime with dope stuffed in his socks cause it's dinner time. No matter what he said that he gonna eat. And he know the hood cold, so he packing heat. And you gonna get it if you ever cross him. Street rule number 1, we don't take no losses. If we really are the church, I don't see how we lost him. Cause when he was a boy, we seen that boy often. But his problem wasn't our problem then. It seems like that we forgot just what our calling is. To love our neighbor as we love ourselves. To teach our brother, reach our brother, and help guide his steps. But we only play that role on Sunday. Then it's all about me first thing Monday. And I just call it like I see it, man. And from where I'm sitting, I see a need for change. So all my real men, stand up and be the change you want to see. Man up. Because these boys crying out for help. But you can't hear them till you turn the volume down yourself.